Alright guys, so we're back home finally. I'm done doing what I gotta do. I've been driving the car around, and one thing I want to say is it's been so much fun to drive this around. So I'm gonna get back inside and I'm gonna drive it around so you guys can hear it. I'm gonna see if I can possibly put the camera on the exhaust like I usually do, so I can get some nice exhaust clips for you guys. And I'm gonna be giving you my first impressions because man, oh man, does this little thing do so much. So let's hop inside and I'll tell you exactly what I have, felt and what I think, my first impressions basically, and you guys can hear it. So yeah, let's just hop back inside. All right everybody, so we're in the car. It is nighttime. I'm finally done doing what I gotta do. It's 10:14 and I've driven it, I've got to experience it, but I'm now going to be driving it around and giving you my first impressions. So I'm trying to back it up slowly because I don't want you guys to just hear it when I'm in reverse. I want you guys to hear it as I'm taking off. Sorry if the mic gets in the way. This muff is annoying. I might open the windows to get some cabin noise. And so yeah, so let's go. I told you guys, it sounds so different, and for some reason it sounds like an actual Honda, and I love it so much. I was in here with my girl earlier and she was like, damn, it's super loud, but she kind of likes it. She says it makes the car sound a little more masculine, which I could give her that, but I can't get over how loud and how good it sounds. Like, I was thinking about going to get a resonator delete to make the pops louder, and literally they're louder just as is. Look at this. That was a first gear pull, or CVT first gear, since you guys like to bug me because I don't have actual gears, but CVT first gear pull up to 3,500 RPM, and then I just let off the gas and shifted when it dropped to 3, and it makes all those burbling and popping noises. Like, guys, that shit is way louder than what it used to be. So I'm gonna try and see if I can get some exhaust clips. I'm gonna put it on the back and get some exhaust clips for you guys. So yeah, we'll be back after those. get this question a lot. It's yes, for all of my videos I do use paddle shifters unless I specifically say that I'm not doing so, just because I personally like to drive in paddle shifters all the time, just because one, it makes the car a lot louder, two, it's a lot more fun, and three, why not, right? But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed those exhaust clips. I am enjoying the sound and just enjoying the drive. Like, guys, it sounds so amazing. Oh man, I'm gonna try to hop on this little mini highway that made the 0 to 60 for the K20C2 recently. I'm gonna leave the video up here, so if you haven't watched it. But yeah, I'm gonna hop on a little highway and I'm gonna see if I can get a VTEC pull for you guys, because I want you to hear what it sounds like. See if you can kind of feel the VTEC with me, you know? I don't know how well I'm gonna be able to pick up the sound. I'm really gonna try my best, but we're gonna get a good pull for you guys. We're gonna get some VTEC, and you guys let me know if it sounds a little bit different or not in the comments down below. So here we go. What you guys think? I don't know if you guys felt that VTEC with me, but one thing I do want to say about the VTEC, and I want to be really honest about this, is now that I've been driving around and actually get to feel it, before the downpipe you could feel the VTEC kick in a little bit more, but with the downpipe I don't really feel the VTEC kick in as much. Like, you know, it kicks in around 5300 RPM, so you expect it and the car gets louder, but I don't really feel an extra kick, and it's supposed to give you an extra, like, what, 30 horsepower. If I'm brutally honest with you guys, I really don't feel as much power as I thought I was gonna get. So I don't know, I want to keep driving around and I want to keep getting some more pulls and just kind of describe what I'm feeling, because yeah, I don't know if it did something to the VTEC, or maybe it's just, I don't know, there's something that doesn't make it kick as much as it used to, you know. But yeah, guys, so I finally got to drive the car around. I've got to feel what that downpipe really does, and my honest reviews are, yes, it does feel a little bit slower in the lower end of the RPMs, but once you get past 3500 RPMs, it actually feels really good. And something that I didn't mention in the install video and throughout this whole thing that I should mention right now, if you get a check engine light, which I actually got right now, let me see if I can show you guys. So when I put the car in accessory mode, that's all you gotta do is put it in accessory mode. I don't know how well I may be able to show you because I'm using my phone to record. It is late at night, but you see over here in the messages where it says low tire pressure, and it says emission system problems. So if I were to start the car actually right now, the check engine light would be on. And for those of you that are subscribed to my channel and know, you know, about my car and everything that I've done to it, you guys do know that I'm running a K-tuner. So while I know how to get rid of that light, it's not a big issue. You can keep running the car just like that. I'm actually tired as fuck right now, believe it or not, and I just want to go to sleep. So as much as I want to get rid of that light in today's video, I'm not going to be doing it for you guys today, unfortunately, and I'm just going to be, you know, cutting the video off there. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed those exhaust clips and, you know, everything else. I tried my best to get as much of the best footage and first impressions as I could. So thank you guys so much for watching, and Ochoa out.